How to remove songs from Instagram post. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, if you have already posted the Instagram music on a post, unfortunately Instagram does not allow removing or changing the music after posting a reel or post. The audio becomes permanently embedded in the video. However, the only way you can fix it is re-upload without music. So this is the my post with the music. Even if I tap on the edit option available there, I cannot remove it. Only option I have right now is to delete this post and re-upload this post without the music or with another music to my preference. Tap on the three dot, then tap on the delete option available here and delete this post. Now all you have to do is re-upload it without the music or with another music. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.